Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting in Google Photos with the images already visible. First, make sure you're in the correct account and syncing is on so additions persist. Next, tap or click to select the photos you want. You can pick one, several, or entire date ranges. Once done, look for the Add to or plus icon. This is your entry point to albums. Do this now so you don't waste time navigating menus later. Selecting first keeps the flow efficient and reduces accidental moves. With photos selected, choose Add to then Album. On desktop, the plus icon appears in the top bar. If you already have a suitable album, pick it and the images will be added immediately. If not, select Create Album, give it a clear name, and optionally add a cover photo. Once created, you can rearrange images by dragging on desktop or using the Edit Order option on mobile. This step organizes content, so you find it later without scrolling through your entire library. Finish by opening the album and confirming every photo appears. Wait for sync indicators to complete on mobile. You can now share the album, edit captions, or remove duplicates to tidy it up. If expected photos are missing, make sure you're in the same Google account, check backup and sync is enabled, and verify network connectivity. If issues persist, try signing out and back in or re-uploading the missing files. That usually forces a fresh sync and resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.